What if one sentence could change the way you work forever? You're not lazy, you're just tired of doing everything the hard way. Deadlines pile up, clients push harder, and somehow the freedom you dreamed of keeps slipping away. Until one day, you discover a new kind of power, one that multiplies your time instead of stealing it. That's when you realize it's not about the tool, it's about the prompt.
Act as my creative director. Design a logo for a sustainable brand.
The book, Prompt and Profit with ChatGPT, reveals the RTCO system, a framework that turns words into leverage, prompts into profits, and ideas into income. Created by Dr. Anekeghuh, entrepreneur and strategist behind global AI-powered teams. These are real freelancers using 100 proven prompts that save hours, impress clients, and multiply income. Your next big opportunity is just a prompt away. Stop working harder, start prompting smarter. Get your copy of Prompt and Profit with ChatGPT on Amazon or Bookuh.com. Your journey starts now. No more time to waste.